Hello, guys. Hope you are enjoying your day. Good afternoon. So, today I am here with the topic should and should have. Should means chahiye. So, where we can use should while expressing expectations from somebody, while our conditional mood, then suggestions, advice, recommendation, then to express one's point of view, other persons express their point of view to us. That time we have or what the person who is the person is giving us advice, they use should while telling us something. So let's understand with the example. See, your hair is too long, you should get a haircut. तुम्हारे हेयर्स बहुत बड़े हैं, बाल बहुत बड़े हो गए हैं, तुमको कटवा लेने चाहिए. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? सजेशंस और एडवाइस हो गया. नाउ फॉर प्रेडिक्शन, फॉर प्रेजेंट टाइम ऑल्सो we use should. See, like suppose my father is outside and he's thinking about me that Kritika is at home. So while he is talking to someone outside, so how can he say Kritika should be at home? Kritika should be at home. You gave her a call. कृतिका अभी घर में होगी, आप उसको कॉल करके देखिए. कृतिका को अभी घर में होना चाहिए. कृतिका शुड बी एट होम. कृतिका को अभी घर में होना चाहिए. We saw the use of what will be, no, like that. Be is the main verb, so here also we use be. Should be, होनी चाहिए. He didn't know that I am at home or outside. So, he is predicting like that. And should have. Second part is should have. Where we use should have? See, our feelings to express our feelings of regret. When we think that something is good, something was good for us, but we don't do it, but हमने उसको किया नहीं, तो हम something was good, कुछ हमारे लिए अच्छा था but हमने अभी उसको किया नहीं, that time we use should have. Example of should have: I should have read the form carefully or brochure carefully before filling it. मुझे पढ़ लेना चाहिए था फॉर्म को या ब्रोशर को पूरा फॉर्म फिल करने से पहले. Why shouldn't have I read the form बिफोर फीलिंग इट. मैंने उसको फॉर्म को पूरी तरीके से पढ़ा क्यों नहीं, उसको फिल करने से पहले. shouldn't I read the form बिफोर फीलिंग इट. क्या मुझे पढ़ नहीं लेना चाहिए भरने से पहले? हम we are thinking ourselves only. हम खुद ही सोच रहे हैं. That time we think like that. We use like that. Now, should not have. Should have not. Shouldn't have or should not have. See, we why where we use should not have when we know that something is not good, but we did it. We do it by our habit or our routine. It is our routine or it is our habit, and we know that it is not good, but we are habitual. मतलब हमको उसकी आदत है उसको करने की, इसलिए हम वो करते हैं, भले ही हम जानते हैं कि इट इज़ टाइम वेस्ट और इट इज़ बैड. भले हमको पता है कि इससे टाइम वेस्ट होएगा या ये बैड है. सी, आई यूज टू वॉच टीवी so much. So I know that it is time waste only, but फिर भी, but then also I watched. But मैं वो मतलब मैं फिर भी देखती हूँ. So like that. So example of should not have. I should not underestimate. I should not have underestimated others' feelings or others' abilities. मुझे दूसरों की क्षमताओं को अंडर या नहीं करना चाहिए. Abilities and one boy bite by the dog because he should have kicked the boy. एक लड़के को डॉग ने काट लिया. बाइट क्यों काटा? क्योंकि उसने किक किया था. अब हियर बाय द सेंटेंस इज गिविंग अ सेंस दैट द बॉय इज नॉटी. तभी तो उसको किक किया डॉग ने. सो लाइक दैट वी कैन यूज should and should have. See, we already know that we already saw or read that with have, no, we always use have 3. So there you must remember that भले ही सामने कुछ भी हो, बट हैव है तो हमको उसके साथ में V3 यूज करना है. We should have. We must remember that we have to use. When there is have, we have to use V3 with have or after have. Okay, like that we can use or make sentences with with not, of, should and should have. Thank you. Hope you understand